So I'm Austin Parker, community maintainer for the Open Telemetry project, and I'd like to take a few minutes to kind of walk through some important announcements this week from the Open Telemetry project and talk a little bit about what we've been up to recently. So, as Richie mentioned, one of the really important things that we've been working on is getting our metrics API and SDK stabilized and to an initial release in certainly our core languages such as Java, Go, Python. Part of that is native histogram support and dynamic histogram support, which I believe is now shipping in Go and is wending through the process in several other languages, so please check that out. We've also been working on our third signal very hard, logging, and I know this is something exciting to a lot of folks. Logging is officially being renamed to Logs Bridge to really better reflect what we're trying to do here. We're not trying to re-implement the wheel in terms of logging APIs. We want to just make a convenient bridge from existing logging systems into Open Telemetry data format, OTLP. That proposal is finalizing currently. Speak soon or forever hold your peace. Speaking of data formats, Open Telemetry Protocol, OTLP, is finally stable in JSON representation. So, you can depend on that without any further problems. We have a lot of improvements to our documentation. Severin and Philip, I know you're in here. You all have done a fantastic job. Give them a shout out for really helping drive some really critical documentation improvements on our website. And also, some of you might be in the audience, but we've had our first round of Open Telemetry focused ambassadors, CNCF ambassadors, come through this most recent class, and that's super exciting to see that level of maturity in the ambassador program around Open Telemetry, and really speaks to the interest that the observability community has for our project. Our big announcement, though, this week is that we are working with Elastic to merge the Elastic common schema with Open Telemetry semantic conventions in order to continue to reduce, the amount of things you have to support, right? So in the future, ECS and SimConv will align, and there will be a single Open Telemetry, common schema named TBD that will be usable for, log data, security log data, metrics, traces, whatever. You can read more on our blog or on the Elastic blog. That just came out this morning. And finally, just a kind of a preview. There's a lot of work right now as the project grows in order to get to really mature our governance and our technical committee model. So the way the project was organized was really, bootstrapped from trying to get these two existing things into one. But as we've grown, we see requests from our end users for better and more stable roadmaps, better acknowledgement of end user feedback and how to get that into the project, stabilizing our models and graduating from incubating to graduated. So to that end, there's a lot of work being done right now to kind of streamline and reorganize the technical and governance committees. We'll be going through this and much more in our maintainers track session Thursday, 16:30 in the Congress Center. So if you're interested in this and would like to speak more about it, please come and check that out. With that, that is kind of the update section. So next, I'd like to welcome Eduardo, who is going to be doing, project updates still. The slides are out of order. So, Eduardo, everyone.